Rise and shine, baby. Come out of your cocoon. Ah!
Happy first day of spring! Yay! It's a beautiful day here at Cabin Glory, and we survived our first overnight stay here last night. It was pretty cold. Today we are working on just reorganizing the cabin, setting up a proper sleeping area, and reorganizing all the tools. We will be starting demo hopefully, and yeah, lots of work ahead of us. So we've rearranged this bedroom, and now there's a bunk bed in here and a queen size bed, so it sleeps 4. We will have enough space while we work here. And here are all of our tools. Ta-da!
I don't think what is it, but I think it's too bad relevant.
We got some problem.
I found a hole. Oh, I'm so disgusted. There's a tiny hole over here. And the edge of a poop is sticking out.
So we finished demoing this additional room in the cabin. We've taken all insulation off the ceiling and the wood panels around the walls. There were some rodent issues in here, but thankfully we didn't find any mice in here yet. So yeah, now we are prepping to demo this main living space. We are planning on vaulting the ceiling here, so that's what we're gonna do.
Honey, I'm down, down, down. Tell me if you are. Now, now, let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately, 'cause you feel so.
So this is where the ceiling used to be, and then vaulted ceiling.
Let's just take this back for a minute. We can make this what we've been living. And I know you hurt as well, darling, we can be ourselves. Let's just take this back for a minute. Now
We finished demoing the living room and the additional bedroom today, and it got real messy. There were some scary moments that we thought there might be some living mice. But overall it went really well, and we finished everything so fast with 4 of us. And yeah, it was definitely worth it. The room feels so much bigger now with the vaulted ceiling, and hope you guys enjoy this vlog. We'll see you next Friday!
I feel so. Let's just take this back for a minute. For a minute. We can make this what we've been living.
Okay, screw this in.
And I know you hurt as well.
Oh, I feel so accomplished.
This back for a minute. For a minute. Now we don't gotta wait. got away.